In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent, may the peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of us. Assalamu alaikum students. Now we have completed our syllabus. Now the time is to review. Before starting, let me tell you that all the videos are already uploaded, so you can rewatch them. So today I have selected some units that you have already learned. Unit number 4, classification of living things. You have already revised it. Unit number 6, matter and its properties. Unit number 7, classification of matter. Unit number 10, motion, force and pressure. And unit number 12, simple machine. One by one I will discuss here. First I will discuss the unit number 6. Unit number 6 is matter and its properties. Now what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space or has volume is known as matter. For example, pencil, book, laptop, mobile, computer, everything around you is matter. You are matter too. Now there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. You have learned the properties of solid, properties of liquid and properties of gases, and you also learn about the molecular theory about the solid, liquid and gas. In this chapter you learned about the atom. What is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of an element. Now see the picture of atom, and there are 3 fundamental particles: proton and neutron, which exist in the nucleus. And what is nucleus? Nucleus is the central part of an atom. Now the third one is electron. So there are 3 fundamental particles: proton, neutron and electrons. You have learned about the atomic number and atomic mass. What is atomic number? The number of protons in an atom is known as atomic number, and sum of the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom is known as its mass number or atomic mass. Have you got my points? And in this chapter you learned about the atomicity. What is atomicity? Atomicity is defined as the number of atoms present in one molecule of an element. Now there are monatomic, diatomic, triatomic and tetraatomic. You have already learned, and you can find this topic in detail in previous uploaded videos, so you must rewatch them. Now the next unit is unit number 7, classification of matter. As you know about the matter. Now what is matter? Everything is matter, because everything takes up space and has mass. Right? Now the classification of matter. Now see the classification. Matter is divided into 2 major groups: pure substance and the mixture. Pure substance means only one type of substance present, and mixture, it means that more than one type of substance present. So pure substances is further divided into 2 groups: element and the compound. What is element? An element is a pure substances. It is made up of only one kind of atom. And what is compound? It means more than one type of atom. Or you can say a compound is a pure substances made up of 2 or more elements that are chemically combined in a fixed ratio by mass. Have you got it? Now see the classification of element. What is element? Element is a pure substances made up of 2 or more elements that are chemically combined in a fixed ratio by mass. Have you got it? Now the mixture is further divided into two groups, homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means uniform composition and heterogeneous means that irregular composition. And you have already learned in detail, right? Now the next chapter is unit number 10, motion, force and pressure. Now I will discuss about the motion. What is motion? An object is said to be in motion of its position changes with respect to its surrounding is known as motion, right? So in this chapter you learned about the types of motion. We will discuss about the force. Pushes and pulls are forces. The direction in which an object is pushed or pulled is known the direction of the force. We apply force to perform various activities, right? And in this topic we learned about the effects of force and the types of force. And in this chapter we learned about the friction. Now the next one we will talk about the pressure. Now what is pressure? Pressure can be explained by a force per unit area, right? So in the SI system the unit of pressure is Newton per square meter. And in this unit we learned about the application of pressure in daily life. Now next the unit number 12, simple machine. Now what is simple machine? A machine is a device which helps us to work easily, such as scissors, hammer and the knife, etc. Now I will tell you about the complex machine. A complex machine is a type of machine which is made up of many moving mechanical parts. A complex machine is formed by the combination of many simple machines, or you can say a system in which simple machine all works together to make a device, right? And there are different types of simple machine such as lever, pulley, wheel, inclined plane and screw. And now to memorize these chapters you must read the chapters so that you can prepare yourself for objective and learn objective that are given in these chapters. Also practice diagrams with labeling and learn short question answers and long questions answer as well. You must follow the instruction for better outcome. Okay beta, take care. Allah Hafiz.